Nestled in Arizona's scenic desert landscape, Anthem is known for its sunshine, stunning mountain views, and family-friendly neighborhoods. However, with those sunny days come intense heat, dry air, and seasonal dust, all of which can make maintaining a comfortable indoor environment a challenge. If your home often feels too hot in summer, drafty in winter, or noisy throughout the day, your windows might be to blame. Many Anthem homeowners are discovering that replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient models can dramatically improve indoor comfort, lower energy bills, and enhance everyday living. Here's how upgrading your windows makes a big difference for your home and your family. Better temperature control. Year-round old or poorly sealed windows are one of the biggest sources of temperature imbalance inside a home. In Anthem's desert climate, the relentless summer sun can heat your interiors quickly, forcing your air conditioner to work overtime and still struggle to maintain comfort. Modern energy-efficient windows solve this problem by using advanced insulation technologies such as low-E, low emissivity coatings that reflect solar heat while allowing natural light inside. Double or triple pane glass that adds extra layers of thermal protection. Argon gas fills between panes that prevent heat transfer. With these features, new windows help keep hot air out and cool air in during summer, then reverse the effect in winter by keeping warmth indoors. The result is a more consistent, comfortable temperature throughout your living spaces, no matter what the weather brings. Reducing drafts and hot spots. Do certain rooms in your home feel hotter or colder than others? Uneven temperatures often happen when older windows lose their seals or develop small gaps that allow air leaks. Even the tiniest opening can create drafts and hot spots, disrupting indoor comfort. New windows with precision-engineered frames and airtight seals eliminate those leaks. Whether you're relaxing in your living room or working from your home office, you'll notice a difference right away. Steady temperatures, no more cold spots in winter, and no more blazing hot areas near the windows in summer. This even comfort helps make every corner of your home livable and enjoyable again. A quieter, more peaceful environment. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about tranquility. Anthem's growing community means more traffic, construction, and neighborhood activity, which can lead to unwanted noise inside your home. New windows with laminated or insulated glass act as natural sound barriers, reducing noise from outside sources by up to 40 to 50%. Whether you live near a busy road or simply want a quieter indoor space, upgraded windows make it easier to relax, focus, and enjoy peace at home. Cleaner air and improved indoor health. Anthem's desert environment brings beautiful views, but also dust, pollen, and fine sand that can easily sneak inside through older windows. These airborne particles not only cause irritation for allergy sufferers but can also lower overall indoor air quality. New, tightly sealed windows keep out dust and outdoor pollutants, ensuring the air inside your home stays fresher and cleaner. Some modern window designs even feature built-in ventilation systems that allow fresh air circulation without sacrificing energy efficiency, helping your family breathe easier every day. Natural light without the heat. Natural sunlight brightens your home and improves mood, but in Arizona, too much direct sun can quickly raise indoor temperatures and fade your furniture. Modern window replacements offer UV-blocking glass that filters out harmful rays while still letting in plenty of natural light. This means your home stays bright and welcoming without the glare, heat, or risk of sun damage to flooring, artwork, and upholstery. With the right window placement and design, you can enjoy a sun-filled home that feels cool, balanced, and comfortable. Energy efficiency that saves you money by improving insulation and reducing the strain on your HVAC system. New windows can lead to significant energy savings. Homeowners in Anthem often report lower utility bills after upgrading to energy-efficient models. In addition, replacing old windows can increase your home's value and appeal, an added benefit if you plan to sell in the future. Final thoughts for Anthem families. Comfort means more than just air conditioning, it's about creating a peaceful, temperature-stable, and healthy home environment. New window installations deliver exactly that. From reducing drafts and dust to blocking noise and UV rays, modern windows help you make the most of Arizona's climate while keeping your home comfortable year-round. When professionally installed, these windows don't just enhance your comfort, they also boost your home's efficiency, beauty, and long-term value. It's an upgrade that pays off in every season and for every member of your family.